How is everyone doing? Welcome back to another session of the AsterSpring Face Gym series. Yay! Hi, my name is Elaine, and I'm back here again to chill with you on this beautiful Saturday morning. Hopefully, everyone is staying safe and staying home, especially now that we're in a full MCO. Don't worry, AsterSpring is here with you, and we're going to do some exercise together to help you wake you up this morning. Today, we'll be finding out how to use face gym to avoid gym face. What is gym face? We're going to find out in a little bit. If we're doing very high intensity, high intensity like cardio workouts, throwing yourself into all these intense exercises might backfire when you look in the mirror, especially among the ages of 40 to 60. Here is where we might experience gym face. So gym face is the drawn features, sunken cheeks, and wrinkles, and maybe some hollow eyes as well. Yes, you might be very diligently exercising and you have a fantastic body, but maybe your face will appear to be more prematurely aged. Now, I'm not saying that we shouldn't exercise. Definitely, we should still exercise, and it's a very important way to keep fit and healthy. However, since everyone's body is different, we can't control whether we have excessive weight loss or very gradual weight loss. If you do happen to face excessive weight loss, especially in a short amount of time, you might end up having gym face, which will give you a more haggard look. This is because the fast weight loss can cause the wear and tear that makes our skin lose that fat layer underneath, and we lose the youthful plumpness. There are a few ways that we can help to prevent this. So how we deal with it? Firstly, definitely to drink a lot of water. Every time we're exercising, we're losing our hydration in the body. We're sweating, we're using all our energy. So we need to replenish back that water, the hydration in our body, to make sure that the skin cells are functioning at its most tip-top condition. And next, definitely apply enough sunscreen. We need to apply sunscreen every day, whether or not we're outside or inside, because the UV rays can still enter through the window. And now, even though we're staying at home, sometimes maybe we want to exercise at our car porch area. So especially if you're exercising outdoors, do remember to wear sunscreen, because that protects our skin from all the effects of the harmful UV rays. And lastly, try to incorporate some low-impact exercise into your high-impact exercise routine. So by adding them together, it's more gentle on the body, and you can control that weight loss to make sure it's gradual and you don't lose it too fast. And most definitely, you can use face gym. So this will help you to maintain the bouncy and youthful skin. With face gym, just like a body workout, we can give our skin the massage it needs to help wake up and strengthen the muscle tone, and also maintain the healthy fat distribution under our skin. This will not only help to bring oxygen to our skin while we're working it out, but also help to increase facial volume and sculpt the face. Let's look at our first move. Okay, so first we're going to target the eye area. All you need to do is use 2 fingers, place it on the inner corner of your eye. So I'm starting here at the inner corner of my eyebrow. And we're going to be massaging outwards this way. And then with the other hand, we're lifting upwards here. Like this, and then like this. Okay, so you can hear the DJ has started the music. This workout is going to start now. Okay, so on this side, we're going to do 1 minute, and then we're going to switch to this side. It'll be the same, but with just the opposite hand. Okay. And then after that, we're going to be focusing more on the bottom part of our eyes. So here, we're also using the same 2 fingers and doing small circular motions all along the bone area here towards the pencil. Okay. So let's do 1 minute on this side and 1 minute on this side. That will really help to focus in on our massages, work out our skin, and give us the best results. Okay, so we're gonna start now in 3, 2, 1. We'll get on top of the eye first, and then we lift up. So you just have to apply a even, firm pressure over the whole area. Come closer so you can see, like this, and we'll lift it up. Okay, so we have 30 more seconds. Apply good, firm pressure and just concentrate on this area. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, before I continue, I'm going to apply a little bit more serum onto the eye area. Okay, and next. So we have this side, we're going to go like this and lift up. So I just applied some more of the Power Oxygen Essence. Because with Face Gym, I'm going to use that to help massage my face. So if you're switching from the right side to the left side, you might need a bit of practice to get used to it. But I'm sure you guys will be fine. You can incorporate this into your morning skincare routine every day. Or you could do this maybe after you've done your workout, you've taken your shower, and you're applying your skincare after that. Just do some facial exercises to help rejuvenate the skin. And remember, we're always lifting upwards because we want to maintain that lifted appearance. Okay, so we're done with the top part of our eye. Now to the bottom. So starting from the inner corners, I'm going to do some circular motions up to the temples. Now remember to not go too near the eyes. I'm not doing it here. I'm doing it on the bone here. Again, firm pressure as you massage your eye area. It can really help with improving circulation as well around the eye area. Okay, so we have 5 more seconds left. And we're done. Okay, next part will be our cheeks. So for this move, it's quite simple. All you need to do is put your hand in this okay position. And then from here, we're going to use our index finger and thumb, press it together like this. So in the end, you make this kind of shape. We're going to be massaging along the bone here. So if you press along your cheeks, you can feel the cheekbone, right? And then we'll massage underneath the cheekbone with this part of our fingers. From here, massage upwards. And then once we reach here, we will pull and massage upwards to lift up everything. Okay, so it'll be the same thing on this side. Massage upwards and then lift. Okay, so I'm going to apply some more serum, the Power Oxygen Essence, onto my cheeks. Okay, so if we're all ready, let's start. Like this, massage upwards. With the other hand, I'm using 3 fingers to lift everything up. Remember, firm pressure. With the serum, you'll get very good glide on the face, so it's easier to massage as well. Okay, we have 10 more seconds on this side. Three, two, one. Okay, now to the next side. So we switch hands and massage the cheek area. Remember, we're lifting up everything and we're applying firm pressure to all parts of the massage. About half a minute left. Everyone getting a good workout? Ten more seconds. Okay, we're done with this move. Next, I have one more move for you, which would be targeting on the cheeks. So this, we're going to be using our knuckles. This part, we're going to be targeting this part of our face. So we have our cheekbone here, and then you can feel the jawbone down here. So here, there will be an area that you can press down and massage like this. We're going to be using the flat part of our knuckles right here. So here, we'll do circular motions around this part. We will repeat for 1 minute twice, so 2 cycles of 1 minute. Okay, if you're all ready, let's go. Firm pressure, you don't need to go too fast. Just make sure you get a good massage in this area. I'll go closer so you can see. I'm massaging this area here. Now when you're doing this, you'll get a good arm workout as well. So not just working out the face, but working out our shoulders and arms also. Keep going. Okay, we have about 10 seconds left in this round. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, my arms are quite tired after this. We have one more round, so let's go. Everyone feeling the soreness in your arms? I'm definitely feeling the soreness in my arms. But at the same time, you're also getting a good workout here. Last 30 seconds. Firm pressure in nice, steady circular motions. 10 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're done with the workout for our eyes and cheek area. Okay, after that, my arms are really quite tired. I need to shake them out a bit, relax my arms. Okay, those were the few moves that I will show you today to help replump your skin and maintain that youthful bounce to your skin and your face. So we're nearly reaching the end of our workshop today. But before that, I would like to share with you all that AsterSpring is always emphasizing on the importance of both treatment and home care together. The perfect treatment to go for when we do open again for treatments is the volumizing face therapy. Volumizing face therapy really helps to revolumize, replump your skin, and give you back that youthful plumpness that we once had. If you pair that up with our face gym at home, you can really get even better results. You can keep up to date with everything happening at AsterSpring at our website, which is asterspring.com. Like us on our Facebook page, follow our Instagram, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There, you'll be able to see all our tutorials and also other really fun and interesting content about AsterSpring. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Do remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again in our next workshop. Bye.